What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showcasing TikViews. It is the best new TikTok view bot that is around. They have so many services for Instagram and TikTok which are completely free of charge, but they also do have a Discord where you can purchase premium and botting services. So I'm going to be showcasing the view bot. Like I said, guys, it is completely free. It sends around 1k views and the cooldown is 5 minutes. It won't increase the more you send, like Zafoy. So yeah, that's why I prefer this one. So right now the video is at 1.1k views. There you go. Will come in 2 minutes. So now we're gonna wait for the views to appear. As you can see, guys, it is currently sending the views. It's been around 1 minute since I've sent the request. And look at that, guys. Well, it has increased the views by around 1,000. The link will be in the description. This is the best TikTok view bot that is completely free. And yeah, see you guys.